All right, you want to be in the video? Let's do this. All right. Hi guys, Mrs. Cipolla here. I am going to do a quick video with you to review about what a function is. Back in January, I think, we already did this. So this is review, but since it is such an important topic, we want to go over it again with you before the school year ends to help prepare you for next year. All right, so 2 things I want to show you. First, a function, what, you want a marker? Here's a marker. All right, so a function is when you have each input having its own output. So I want to show you something that would not be a function, like it wouldn't make sense. So if you look here, okay, this is a type of function where I'm just talking about polygons and how many sides they have. So if you notice a triangle, 3 sides, that makes sense. Quadrilateral, 4 sides, sure. Pentagon, 5 sides, and then it says triangle, 6 sides. Well, that doesn't make sense. A triangle has 3 sides. This is not a function. Each input does not have its own output. Triangle is used twice, going to 2 separate numbers. That doesn't make sense. This is the one that does make sense, okay? Notice it's triangle 3, quadrilateral 4, pentagon 5, and then hexagon 6. So each input, each type of shape, has its own distinct number of sides. So that's an example of a function versus one that would not be a function. All right, now that you're probably all just watching the baby, I'm going to give her back. And we are going to look at these 3 problems because this is what you're going to have to do on the slides coming up. So I have the 3 different common examples that we see functions written as. We have a table, a mapping diagram, and then a set of ordered pairs, which can be called a relation. So I just want to look at these and say, yes, it's a function, or no, it's not a function. So a function is when no x values repeat. So if we look at this table, 2 and 4, 3 and 6, 4 and 8. All of my x values are different numbers. So is this a function? Yes. This is a function. Y-E-S. The next one shows a mapping diagram. It has 1 going to 6, then it has 2 going to 6 and 12. That means that the number 2 is being used twice. That's not a function. So we would say, no, this is not a function. Why? Because 2 is an x value and it's being used twice. It's okay for y's to be used twice, just not x's. The last one is a set of ordered pairs. If we look at our x's, that's all we care about here, not our y's, our x's. Okay, x, 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 and x. So 4, 5, 6, and then it says 4 again. And if we notice, they have different outputs. A 4 to a 5 and a 4 with an 8. So that is also not a function because we do not want our x values to repeat. And that's it, okay? That's what you need to know about functions, at least for today. If the x values does repeat, not a function. If none of the x values repeat, then you're all good. It's a function, okay? So that's your lesson for today. Hope you guys liked it. You have a couple slides to do. They should be quick. It's just like, yes, function, no, not a function. And then you're good. Have a great day. Bye-bye.